Welcome to Thrive Invests, where we make money simple. If you want to grow your wealth step by step without feeling overwhelmed, hit subscribe. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to start investing in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner with just a little to start. We're going to demystify the process and give you a clear, actionable plan to get your money working for you. Before you buy a single stock, fund, or anything else, let's establish the most important principle. Your first investment isn't in the market, it's in understanding your plan. Forget the confusing jargon, the get-rich-quick schemes, and the overwhelming noise you see online. No hype, no guessing. Just a simple, clear foundation to build your financial future on. This single idea will protect you from costly mistakes and keep you focused on what truly matters: consistent, long-term growth. It's the bedrock of everything we're about to discuss. Step-by-step investing basics. All right, let's get into the practical step-by-step guide. We're going to make this incredibly easy to follow. Step 1. Build a mini emergency fund. First things first, you need a safety net. Before you invest a single pound, your immediate goal is to build a mini emergency fund. We're talking about $500 to $1,000 set aside in a separate, easy-to-access savings account. This isn't your investment money. This is your life happens money. Think of it as a financial firewall. If your car breaks down or you have an unexpected bill, you can cover it without having to panic sell your investments at the worst possible time. Investing is a long-term game, and this fund ensures you can stay in the game without being forced out by short-term emergencies. It gives you peace of mind, which is priceless when you're just starting out. Don't skip this step. It's the foundation that allows you to invest with confidence. Step 2. Start with a simple index fund. Now for the exciting part, making your first investment. Where do you put your money? For 99% of beginners, the answer is a simple index fund. Let's break down why this is the perfect starting point. An index fund is a type of investment that holds hundreds or even thousands of stocks in a single package. Instead of trying to pick individual winning companies, which is incredibly difficult even for professionals, you are simply buying a small piece of the entire market. There are 3 key reasons this works so well for beginners. First, it's low cost. Index funds have very low management fees compared to other types of funds, which means more of your money stays invested and working for you. Over time, high fees can seriously eat into your returns, so starting with a low-cost option is a huge advantage. Second, it's beginner-friendly. You don't need to be an expert or spend hours researching individual companies. You are essentially betting on the long-term growth of the overall economy, which historically has always trended upwards. It's a diversified approach right from the start, which significantly reduces your risk compared to putting all your money into 1 or 2 stocks. And third, it has a proven track record of long-term growth. Famous investors like Warren Buffett have long recommended low-cost index funds for the average person. They provide steady, reliable growth over decades by harnessing the power of the market as a whole. For someone starting in 2025, a global or S&P 500 index fund is a fantastic, straightforward way to get started. This next step is where the magic really happens. The secret to building significant wealth over time isn't being a genius investor, it's being a consistent one. That's why you must automate your investing. Once you've chosen your index fund, set up a recurring automatic transfer from your bank account to your investment account every single month, or even every week if you prefer. It could be $25, $50, $100, whatever you can comfortably afford. This strategy is often called dollar-cost averaging, and it removes emotion from the equation. When the market is high, your fixed amount buys fewer shares. When the market is low, that same amount buys more shares. Over time, this smooths out your purchase price and prevents you from trying to time the market, which is a losing game. This is the set it and forget it approach. By making your investing automatic, you turn it into a habit, just like paying any other bill. It happens in the background without you having to think about it, worry about it, or second-guess yourself. You are paying your future self first. This consistent, automated process is what allows the power of compound interest to truly take hold and grow your small, regular contributions into a substantial sum over the years. It's the most powerful yet simple wealth-building tool at your disposal. What not to do. Now that you know what to do, it's just as important to understand what to avoid. These are the common traps that new investors fall into, and steering clear of them will save you a lot of money and stress. First, don't chase hype. You will see stories online about a particular hot stock or cryptocurrency that has shot up in value. Friends might tell you about a sure thing. This is speculation, not investing. Chasing these trends often means you're buying in at the peak, right before a crash. Stick to your simple, diversified plan with index funds. Slow and steady truly wins the race. Second, and this is critical, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. The stock market goes up and down in the short term. Only invest money that you won't need for at least 5 years, preferably longer. Your emergency fund, your rent money, or money you're saving for a down payment in the next year does not belong in the stock market. Investing is for your long-term goals. Finally, don't try to get rich quickly. Real, sustainable wealth is built over years and decades, not overnight. Any promise of guaranteed high returns in a short period is almost certainly a scam or incredibly high risk. Embrace the process of consistent, boring investing. It may not be as exciting as gambling on a hype stock, but it's infinitely more likely to make you wealthy in the long run. Your plan is your shield against these temptations. So that's your plan for 2025. Build your mini emergency fund, start with a low-cost index fund, and automate your contributions. It's a simple, powerful strategy that works. If this video helped you feel more confident about starting your investment journey, make sure to like and subscribe to Thrive Invests. We post new videos every week to help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.